Namaste students, welcome to our social science class. We are doing block 5. In the previous class we learnt about a good citizen, our duties towards our neighbors. In today's class we'll learn about our duties as citizens. Okay, a citizen is a person who belongs to a country, and as the citizen of the country we have some duties. What are these? We'll be learning today, right? So what do you see on the screen, students? Here we see people cleaning the road, right? So they are trying to clean it and set things right, collecting the garbage. So they are trying to keep their surroundings clean, right? Today we will learn about the duties of a good citizen. If you want to become a good citizen, what are the right things that you should do? A citizen is a person who belongs to a country. Okay, so keep your books ready, content book, worksheet 5.2 and notebook. The keywords that we are going to learn today are citizen, a person who belongs to a country; elect, to choose someone for a particular job or position by voting; law, rule that we should follow; public, building parks and roads that are used by everyone. So today what we have to do is that we are going to draw one word web. This is the word web. So 3 circles on the top, 3 at the bottom and 1 circle in the center. So in that middle one we are going to write what can we do for our country. What are the things that we can do for our country, right? So we'll discuss, and from each one of you we'll take a point and we'll write over here, right? Now let us watch this beautiful video. So people who belong to a country are called as citizens. As citizens we have some duties to follow. That is, first one, obey laws. We have to follow the laws. Then we have to protect public property, buildings, roads, parks. And as a citizen you need to vote, okay, and take care of the environment, right students? And we have to respect our national symbols. These are some of the duties as citizen. Let us watch this video once again. So people who belong to a country are called citizens. As citizens of a country we all have some duties to follow, okay? So obeying laws, protect public property, vote, care for the environment, and respect national symbols, right? Excuse me. What are the different things you can do for your country? Now, after learning from the video, there are certain duties that we can follow. We understood the duties that as a citizen we have to follow. Now, what are the different things that you can do for a country? We can help our country by taking care of the environment, okay? And we can be nice to other people and take care of our school buildings, roads and parks. What are the duties of a good citizen? As citizens, our duty is to obey the laws and look after public property. Okay, obey the laws and look after the public property. We must vote to elect our leaders to run the country. So we have to participate in the elections. Okay, once you are of the age of 18 years old or more, you can start voting the leaders for our country. We must love and respect all the people of the country. So let us read these duties of good citizens. Duties of a good citizen. First one, must obey the laws. Second one, must protect public transport, buildings and historical buildings. Third one, must vote in elections to elect leaders of the country. Fourth one, must protect wildlife and environment. Fifth one, must love and respect other citizens. So these are the duties of a good citizen, right? Why is it important to perform duties for our country? Okay, why all the citizens they have to perform these duties? A country can progress only if all the citizens do their duties. Okay, a country can develop more if all the citizens do their duties. Laws keep us safe, so we must follow them. All of us should obey the law because it keeps us safe. Trains, buses, parks and roads belong to all of us, so we must protect them. Voting in the elections and electing the right leaders is important for the country. Okay, all of us, let us open our workbook. Open your workbook to 5.2. Okay, worksheet 5.2, all of you open. Let us read what are the questions in the workbook. Okay, the first section is very easy. It's true or false. Put today's date and let's begin. 5.2, our duties as citizen. Question 1, write if true or false. A. People living in any country have duties as citizens. People living in any country have duties as citizens. True. B. We should keep our houses clean but not our surroundings. False. Because not only our house but we have to keep our surroundings also clean. So B1 is false. C. We should keep trains and buses clean while traveling. This is true. Okay, we should not, because it is public property now, we have to keep it, we have to protect it, right? So that's why we have to keep it clean. True. C is true. D. We should stand at attention when singing our national anthem. True. Yes, because this shows that we are paying respect. We show our respect to our national symbols. So we have to stand in attention when singing our national anthem. We can break traffic rules if we get late to school. If you are getting late to school, does it mean that you should not obey the traffic rules? No, you have to obey the traffic rules always. So this is false. E1 is false. Now question 2, look at the pictures. Which duties are the people performing? So two pictures we have here. Let's examine the first picture. Picture A. Here we see a orange wall and trees in orange color, and people are doing something. Almost every person is doing something. So what is it? You have to write about it. What are the people doing here? Okay, what kind of duty are they performing, right? So we can write here because roads, parks, this is public property, no? So you can write there protecting the public property and caring for the environment. Two duties you can write. Okay, keeping surroundings clean is very good for the environment as well as protecting public properties. They are performing two duties at a time. You can write that. In the picture 2, you can see the school children here. They are saluting the national flag. So which duty are they performing? They are performing the duty of respecting national symbols. You can write it there. Question 3, why is it important for all of us to love and respect other people? Why? Because we are the citizens of India we should live in fraternity. Okay, if you show love and respect for other people, people around us also will love and respect us. Okay, so next one, let's move to the next thing. So all of you read the lesson twice better. Reading is very important. It will improve your reading skills, and also you can learn the language, and it will prepare you well for the coming tests, right? So all of you open your content book. Let's answer the questions in the content book. These are the practice questions. Write if true or false. A. Citizens are people who belong to a particular house. False. F-A-L-S-E, false. B. A citizen must protect public property. This is true. T-R-U-E, true. A1 is false, B1 is true. C. A citizen should keep his or her house clean and dump the waste outside the house. You should keep your house clean and also your surroundings also clean. You should not dump the waste outside the house. So this is false. Okay, false, true and false. Okay, A, B, C. Then second question, write any two ways in which you can take care of the park you play in. How can we take care of the park where you are playing? We can water the plants and we can keep it clean. Okay, and third question, if you want to be a good citizen, what four things you should do? What are the four things that you should do if you want to be a good citizen? Okay, number one, we should obey the laws. Number two, respect the national symbols. Number three, protect the public property. Number four, care for the environment. So that is what we learned today, and what we can do to be a good citizen. We all should try to become good citizens, and that we can do by obeying the laws and taking care of the environment, protecting public property and respecting national symbols to show love and respect for other people. Okay, that's all for today, students. Thank you. Bye bye.